Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Remodel Your Thinking. So today's topic is confessions from a contractor. And what red flags that we look for with potential clients. And this is in the spirit of having fun. It's really just like you're trying to find the right employee. It has to be a really good fit all the way around. And most clients, potential clients, have very understandable concerns. There are just some red flags that might show up in a first conversation with a potential client that contractors see that are red flags that it might not be a good fit all the way around.
The thing to remember also is a client interviews the contractor, but the contractor is also interviewing the client.
Yes. Yeah. So here we go. So my dad has a whole lot of experience and he'd really like to supervise your crew.
According to Google, my kitchen remodel should cost around $35,000. So Google is not a contractor, and they also have not been in your house. And they tend to say that it only is going to take about 2 weeks to do the project. Trusting Google more than a professional who has been in your home is probably not the best route to take. We would like to handle the demo ourselves.
I found the materials online for a much better price than I think you can get. It's possible you might find a material that is less expensive than what we can supply with our suppliers. However, when we work with our trusted suppliers, we know that they're going to make sure that it comes in properly, and if it doesn't, we can go back to them and make sure you get exactly what you want. Nothing damaged, no problems. It's worth the extra money.
I get off work at 6:30. Can we meet then to discuss my project? Hey, that's funny. That's when my family would like to see me too. I've talked to some other contractors and we're going to get about 10 bids. Getting multiple bids is a wonderful thing to do. In fact, we encourage it. Anything between 3 and 4, great. Beyond that, it's really just wasting time. What matters is communication, experience, and the quality of the work.
All contractors are the same.
As if.
I would like to get your opinion on how to redesign my space. Oh, and by the way, I've asked my neighbor, my best friend, and my brother-in-law.
I don't know what my budget is. Many homeowners are afraid to share what their budget is with the contractor they might be working with. And really the truth is, the reason why we're asking this question is so that we can make sure that what your vision is matches the budget that you have and that you're comfortable with. And it also gives us a springboard to work from in terms of helping you with your material selection. So it's not that we're going to go and just try to spend all of it.
I don't care what it costs, I just want quality. No matter how much money you have, everyone cares what it costs. You just want to know that you're spending wisely and not overpaying for a project. The best remodeling project comes from a great partnership between the homeowner and the contractor, and that really starts from day one at that first meeting or the first interview. So if you've liked or learned anything from today's segment, please give us a thumbs up, follow us on our social media content, and stay tuned for the next episode.
Thank you. See you next time.
Bye.